Hey there, and welcome to Notta. In this video, we're going to give you a tour of the Notta dashboard to help you get started quickly. Immediately when you log into Notta, you will be greeted with the main dashboard, where you can see the recent recordings, your plan and usage, and more. This dashboard is your central hub for all the important details. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll notice 4 buttons, each representing a different transcription method. Whether you want to record a speech directly, upload files, transcribe online meetings in real time, or capture screen recordings, these buttons make it easy to get started. Next, let's dive into your All Records section, where all your past recordings and transcriptions get stored securely, so it's easy to find and manage your content. You can group your records into folders for a tidy, organized view, perfect for managing multiple projects. If you're looking for a specific recording, use the search bar at the top. Just type in a keyword and Notta will find it instantly. No more digging around for that one file. Next up, let's check out your upcoming events. If you have connected Notta to your Google or Outlook calendar, all your upcoming events will be listed right here. And here's a cool feature. By clicking Auto Join, Notta's AI note taker will join your scheduled meeting automatically at the set time, ready to start recording. We'll cover this powerful feature in more detail in future videos, so stay tuned. At the bottom left corner of the dashboard, you'll find the Integrations option. Notta offers over 20 integrations with popular tools to make your workflow even smoother. Now, let's move to the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll find your profile icon. By clicking on it, you can access various settings for your Notta account and workspace, including language preferences, meeting bot setup, member management, and more. Right next to the profile icon, you'll see the workspace icon. If you have multiple workspaces, you can switch between them here. You may create and join as many workspaces as you like, with each one being independent. And that's a wrap on your quick tour of the Notta dashboard. From recording and transcribing to managing your workspace and integrations, Notta is designed to help you stay organized and efficient every step of the way. If you're ready to explore more, don't forget to subscribe. More tutorials are on the way.